Hello, I'm Laveshwaran Parthivan from Chennai, India. This is Project 2 Commerce for CS50W. This is the index page of the website. You can log in using a buyer's account. You can see the active listings that are available. This is the listing page where we can view the image of the listing, description, and the current bid and starting bid. You can see that there are two bids placed before this, and we are not paid the bids. So if you pay the bid, we can become the highest bidder. Let me place a bid of $24. The bid is placed, and we can see that my bid is the highest bid. So let me log on to the seller's account in another tab. So I'm logged in as seller. So if I go into the listing, we can see that there are three bids placed, and I can close the listing. To close the listing is closed by seller, and in the buyer, we can see that the buyer has won the bid because he has placed the highest bid of $24. So let's go to seller. So the watch is removed from the active listings since the listing is closed. We can list a new item by going to the list your item tab. Let us add a title of a giant inflatable duck and add a description and add an image URL. We can also assign a category and provide a starting bid for the listing. So the listing is added successfully. We can scroll down to see the listing. Since we are the owner of the listing, we can't place any bids. Let us go to the buyer's account now and reload the page. You can see the listing has appeared over here and you can place bids. You can also add comments to the listings. The comment will be added with the username of the person who adds comment. We can see that the comment will be reflected on the buyer's account as well. So whichever account see this thing, they will be able to see the comment and add more comments. Let us go back to the buyer's account. Suppose I want to watch list a listing. I can go to the listing page and click on watch list. This will add to my watch list page. They can access the watch list page by clicking over here. So you can see the listing is added to my watch list. There is also listing by categories. Click on categories, you can see the categories available over here. So we can go to books. You can see that there are two listings in book category. So you can go to the listing from there as well. Let us log on to the Django administration interface by logging in as the admin user. Here you can see that we have widgets, comments, and listings where you can add widgets, add widgets. So you can do the same for comments and listings as well. So you can see the various listings available here. You can view them, add or delete listings, comments, and widgets using this interface. Thank you so much for watching my demo.